When you think of a Disney cruise, you probably think of lounging by the pool with your family. So let's go beyond the activities on the Disney Destiny for a grand tour of the pool deck. Welcome back, travelers! We are finally exploring the upper decks of the brand new Disney Destiny. And if you followed along last year when we were on the Wish, you know these Triton-class ships do pool days a little differently than other DCL ships. Here on Deck 11, the first thing you'll notice is the tiered stadium-style layout. Instead of one giant crowded pool, they've spread 10 different pools and water play areas across decks 11 to 14. This is a game changer for families like ours because it helps manage the crowds and gives you so many different vantage points for the Funnel Vision movies. The shallow pools are great for kiddos, but they don't allow for any jumping, diving, or swimming laps. They do provide complimentary life vests if you need them. As a mom, I loved finding a seat on the edge and taking in the Disney movies they play on the big screen. But see those tubes overhead? That's the AquaMouse water slide, which you definitely don't want to miss. It features a two-person raft and the storyline of Mickey trekking up to Villain Mountain to face off against characters like Scar and the Queen of Hearts. Asher wanted to wear the Insta360 to show you the action, but they didn't allow it. If you're looking for the opposite of big thrills, go to the opposite side of Deck 13 from the AquaMouse, and you'll find the Quiet Cove pool area for guests 18+. Disney does an excellent job with their adults-only areas, and these hot tubs and infinity pool looking over the back of the ship are stunning. The Cove Cafe is always our favorite coffee spot on any Disney ship, and the Moana themes of this location bring the tropical island decor to any port. They have a full bar and can expertly craft whatever caffeine your morning calls for. With plenty of seating, these lounge chairs were the perfect spot on our Lighthouse Point day. They have rocking chairs. They're so good. If your child doesn't meet the 42-inch height requirement for the AquaMouse, head around the forward end of Deck 12 for the Slide-a-saurus Rex. This isn't a little baby slide. It's a body slide with a 38-inch height requirement and usually a very short line. It wasn't super fast, but it was definitely worth the time.
Yeah, I was stopping and I had to push myself.
All right, the slides do that sometimes. The toddler-friendly and swim diaper-friendly Toy Story Splash Zone are also on Deck 12 forward. You would not even know this was back here. You have to kind of go around the yellow slide. So if you're at the main pools and going, where is the kid area? Look for the yellow slide. Head up to that and walk around it. And that's where the Toy Story Splash Zone is. There is a small waiting pool over here that is not lifeguarded, but also doesn't go by pool rules. So if you have a baby in a swim diaper, that's your spot. That and the splash zone, okay? The splash zone is for ages 4 and under. So all my kids are too big for it now. There are certain times that we've had them allow my bigger kids to play as long as they play gently. But generally speaking, the rule is 4 and under. Remember, the pool deck is also the site of the Sail Away Party and other fun activities like the Pirates Rockin' Party. When they stack those lounge chairs out of the way, it becomes one giant dance floor. You may even see the best, worst pirate, and something you'll only see on Disney Cruise Line, fireworks at sea. On this sailing, we did go to Castaway Cay and Lookout Cay at Lighthouse Point, but there are lots of videos about that, so you can go check those out elsewhere. This was my kids' first time at Lookout Cay at Lighthouse Point, but you can also see this video here about my visit there in March. Beyond the pools, the amenities here are all about convenience. On Deck 11, you've got the Mickey and Friends Festival of Foods right nearby, as well as the buffet, Marceline Market, named after Walt's hometown of Marceline, Missouri. You can check out everything we ate here on our Disney Destiny gluten-free, dairy-free food review, which you'll find here. But wait, back up. Go up those stairs, and on Deck 12, by Vibe, the Teen Club, which we do a full tour of, so check that out, is the Hero Zone. This is more than a gym. There's air hockey, foosball, ping pong, cornhole, and so much more. But when they set up the Incredicourse, it gets super popular. We've never gotten to do the Incredicourse, so we waited in the line and still ran out of time to try it. Unsuccessful. And this isn't on the pool deck, but you can also move your body on Deck 5 in Senses Fitness, a gym for adult guests with lots of machines and lovely amenities. The spaces on this ship are just as beautiful as the experiences they've curated, and those are what makes the Destiny just so unique. So next, be sure to watch this video to see all the ways to fill your vacation schedule. Thanks so much for watching!